Right, so for today's experiment, I'll be doing titration. So right now over here I have diluted hydrochloric acid, which is 2.0 the concentration, 2.0 mole dm cube. Then over here I have diluted sodium hydroxide, which is the alkali, the base. This one is acid, right? So titration is for neutralization. You are producing a salt, right? A pH 7 solution. So this is the diluted sodium hydroxide, which is also 2.0 mole dm cube, same concentration as the hydrochloric acid. So right now what I'm going to be doing is I'll be pouring 200 milliliters of sodium hydroxide into this conical flask, and then after that, this is phenolphthalein indicator. Phenolphthalein indicator will turn the sodium hydroxide into pink if the pH level is above more than 9. Alright, so I'll put 2 drops. So once I get the pink solution, I'll put it underneath here and I'll swirl until it turns colorless. That means succeed. Alright? Okay. Alright, so you will need a filter funnel and then you will need a beaker to pour your sodium hydroxide. So I'll pour until 200 milliliters. Okay, enough. Right, then you pour it into your conical flask. You see it has already turned pink a bit because earlier on top there's a bit phenolphthalein. But anyway, I'll still use the dropper and put 1 or 2 drops. Right. Wait. Hold on a second. Okay, zoom it out. Right. Put 1 and 2. Okay, enough. Then swirl it. Okay, this is sodium hydroxide together with 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. 2.5 lah considered. Alright, so in order to know that you got your salt, which is sodium chloride, this will turn colorless. Alright, so later I'll record 200 milliliters. You can just straight away use to cm cube because it's just times 1.0, you convert. So after this I'll write down the units that I got. Alright, so hold on a second. This burette, you make sure the hydrochloric acid, the volume you pour until 0. Zoom in a bit. Yeah, until 0. The meniscus level until 0 here. Alright? Here, down below here, all full of liquid. Yep. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna titrate. So you must always ensure your burette is closed tight first. Make sure it's not like slightly open or what a bit. So you let it flow. Okay, you swirl, constantly swirl. Okay, stop. Then, so just ignore the outside. Here got the pink color because my hand's full of phenolphthalein. But focus in the what's inside the conical flask. You see it's completely colorless, so it's a success. Alright, I got the sodium chloride. So as you can see, okay, I've used 14 ml of hydrochloric acid to just neutralize this sodium hydroxide. So later I'll record it and then I'll do the calculation to find out the mole of the sodium chloride. 14. Right, so this is sodium chloride salt. Okay, so just now the mole, now we want to calculate the mole for the sodium chloride that I got just now. Sodium chloride is NaCl, right? So just now I already, okay, just now the volume of HCl I used just now was 14.3 ml. Right? So the equation you do this: HCl plus NaOH NaCl plus H2O. Okay, this is the equation. Sorry about my handwriting. So ml, you can just convert it straight away to cm cube, right? Because times 1.0. Okay, then after that, so the formula I use is mole equals to mv. M is concentration, V is volume. Volume I already saw, I got it. Concentration of just now's one is 2.0, because both hydrochloric acid and both sodium hydroxide I use 2.0, so 2.0 mole dm cube. Okay, volume 14.3 cm cube, but this one is in dm cube. So why I didn't write 1000 over 1000? Actually, it's supposed to be over 1000 if it's using cm cube, but I'm converting it to dm already for the cm cube to dm cube, so I'll divide by 1000. So 14.3 cm cube divide by 1000. Sorry, my calculator. Okay, so 14.3 divided by 1000, you get 0.0143. Then now mole equals to mv. Then mole equals to concentration, which is 2.0 times 0.0143. So mole equals you get 0.028 86 mole. So this is for NaCl. Mole of NaCl. So success. What I wanted all this while, the salt mole 0.0286. So that's how this is how you manufacture your own salt. Whatever I done from beginning until end, this is how you get. This is how it works in chemistry, right? The hashtag. Just now here the mole, you see the unit, right? Mole dm cube and dm cube, right? This one is supposed to be 0.0143 dm cube. So just now when I times, I cut, so it remains the mole like that. So the equation here is balanced. Okay, 2H, Cl1, Na1, then O1. So everything is complete. So that's all for this entire video. I hope you guys learned something. This can be used for your SPM, pre-U, maybe degree, I don't know. And for titration process, producing salt. So that's all for this video. So I'll do more videos on July, like somewhere around there, after my foundation is over. Then I'll do more dissection videos, I'll do more chemistry videos, and then that's it, right? So see you all in the 6 month time, right? Bye bye.